Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Giordano. Today we're going to talk about finalizing our story elements. We have been planning our story for over a week now, and I am glad, I know for my class, I'm really proud of all the work that you're doing, and your teachers are telling me the same thing when you are uploading or typing in the documents, so keep up the hard work. So everybody seems to have all the elements of their fairy tale story. So today we will be learning how to kind of take all of those ideas, put them into a graphic organizer to help us when we begin to write our story. So I wanted to show you a little bit of when we are going to be transferring these ideas onto a paper that's called a quick look. And that's what's going to be uploaded in Seesaw. So I want to just share with you my all of my ideas that I've been talking to you about for my fairy tale. And then I'm going to show you the document at the end. So when I'm going to take all my information, I took my information. So I have my hero/heroine setting. It's at a castle. And then it's going to ask you about the hero/heroine. Mine was a beautiful princess named Tricella, and she has a helper named Elfrin, who is an elf. Then I'm going to add my information about my villain setting, which is an old house. I need to then include about my villain. She is an evil witch with a magic wand. Okay, so those are some things that I'm going to add for that. Then you are going to have to look at the problem and then the 3 events that lead to your solution. So let's look at the problems with the events. My problem was my heroine, Princess Tricella, is very beautiful, and the evil witch is very ugly. So the evil witch took Tricella away because she wants to have her beauty. Next, I'm going to talk about those 3 events that are going to lead to solving this problem. So the first event is the evil witch comes and takes Tricella and locks her in her old house. The second event is Elfrin waves his wand and asks to be brought to where Tricella is. And the third event is Elfrin and the evil witch fight using their magic wands. And last is my solution. And the solution is Elfrin wins and gets the key from the witch to unlock where the princess is locked in the old house and gets her. So today, what I want you to do, okay, is this is what you are going to see today. Let me find it. I know it's here somewhere. Here it is. Okay, so this is what you're going to look at today. This is called a quick look, and this is what I was just talking to you about. You're going to put the title at the top. You're going to fill in your setting for your hero/heroine. Then you're going to jot down a little bit about your hero/heroine. You are going to also include the villain setting and about the villain. Okay. Now remember, this is just a planning sheet. Okay, so you don't need to write too much yet. And this is just a summary of everything so that we have it all in one place so that when we transfer, when we start to write our writing, we can refer back to this. Then you're going to write down your problem and those 3 events and your solution. Okay? You can go back into your writer's notebooks if you've been writing in there and brainstorming your ideas first. That will be helpful to look through to see those ideas that you wrote down. Okay? If it is easier, you can print out this page, ask mom or dad, and you can write on it, and then you can take a picture and upload it into Seesaw. Or if you want to continue to write in your writer's notebook, you're more comfortable doing that, and then take a picture. It's whatever is going to work for you. But this is kind of the graphic organizer that I want you to follow today, because this is going to help us when we really begin writing our stories, and we are almost there. All right, boys and girls, have fun today. We can't wait to see your work.